Scene model. Just like in a movie, scenes are the building blocks to TripVenture stories. There are different scene types for different purposes. The scene panel is the top panel in the second column, but you can move the panels whichever way you prefer. You can close the panel with the X button and reopen it with the TV icon on the editor's top toolbar. The triangle button on the panel shrinks the panel but leaves the header. The New button on the Scene panel allows you to create a new scene. You can choose the following types: map scenes as bases of navigation for the player and other scenes, augmented reality scenes for interaction with non-playing characters or items, dialogue scenes for conversations with non-playing characters, video scenes to show a non-interactive video, and finally HTML scenes to create generic programmable scenes. We start with a map scene. A dialog with the basic scene settings pops up and we give the scene a name. The editor offers the grouping of scenes to maintain an overview. You create a group using the New button on the panel. We create an augmented reality scene which is part of the first plot. After its completion, we move it to the Scene 1 folder. The same applies to the dialogue scene, which we are creating now. If you move a scene to a group, you need to save the game to preserve the changes. The context menu for scenes allows you to duplicate or delete scenes. The game engine needs to know which scene should be the first scene when the game is started. Here we tell it to start with the map scene. All other scenes are connected with one another via actions inside each scene. You will find out more about it when watching other tutorial videos such as creating a game dynamic or scene-specific tutorials. TripVenture games often start with a video scene to introduce the player to the story. We add a video scene and set it as the start scene.